had a bad habit of missing lovers past. My brother used to call it eating out of the trash. It's never gonna last. Thought my house was haunted. I used to live with ghosts and all the perfect couples said when you know, and when you don't, you don't. All of the foes and all of the friends see it before, they'll see it again. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. I was wrong, but my mama told me it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes.
tonight is our last night together. So tomorrow just take an easy day. Come back to the office and then have a lunch in office nearby the office. Thank you, everyone. So we cheers one more time together, okay? Yeah, make sure we remember this one forever. Alright. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Motorbike!
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.